How's it going, everyone? We're back again, working on the reefy. It is hot as it can be out today, but thankfully we borrowed a shed. We're under cover. We've been busy, we've got a lot done, we've still got a hell of a lot more to do, but yeah, let's give you a rundown on everything we've been doing, and a lot of the stuff that we've still got left to do. Boards on the back, there's a motor in it, we've got a hell of a lot of the electronics fitted up in the dash there, and we got hats. If you want one, there's going to be one given away, so stay tuned in this video as well and find out how you can win one of them. Let's get into it. This is it, drilling the dash, one-way trip. Looks good, but someone made a fuck up. Try again. Easy out. So all we got to do is put that in there. Let's see how we go. Not bad. So up here, we got a steering wheel, we got a throttle. They're all run down to the back as well. They're hooked up to the motor under the cover. The other thing we've got coming, we were going to try and keep the original dash here, but as you can see, one of the gauges has broke out. Trying to get the original gauges has proved to be a lot more difficult than we thought. So what we've done is we've just gone and designed up a whole new panel. We're going to fill the whole thing up, incorporate some switches, add all new gauges, and switch that around. So stay tuned for that one. Hopefully have that ready for the next video. It's at the laser cutters, getting cut as you're watching this, so you know, any day now. We do have to cut another hole here for the other sounder, and they are just going to pull our engine data that we can feed through, being a 2003 motor, I think it was. It's about a year out from having the ability to run the SmartCraft gauges or anything like that, or the NMEA link straight through. So if anyone does know anything about that, I have heard about a company called Bris Marine or something like that in the States who do a module for the pre-smart gauges. So if you know about that, drop a comment down below so we can have a look at that. But yeah, that's what we've got done. We've got seats, wheel, she's coming up plush. Motor is in. She's hiding under that little cover there, ready to go. She's got to drop the leg throughout the back. So yeah, we got one of the legs on. I'm sitting on the platform now. This is the first time I've actually been able to do that with it properly attached. Every other time we just had it mocked up, sitting on like a wheelie pin. It is solid, it's stable, so really happy with that. Big shout out to Heath at Torque. He ticked it all up and got it all set up right, shaped it all into the profiles here. It was a little bit of a mission, being that you've got a compound of angles and curves to match. So, and I mean, he's done a pretty slick job on matching all the curves on that on both sides. Other side's obviously sitting free at the moment. I still got to polish it up. There's a few little scuff marks on it just from clamping where the bars were pressed at the vendors, so still got to buff and scratch them out, but I'll have to do I think a proper compound and sand and start filling the grids. And I've got 2/10 of fuck all sandpaper with me, so it's enough to bolt it on. So we'll worry about the minor details when we're doing all the final detail. We've still got to do a full buff around on the boat. We do have an order in finally from Fibrefinish. So they sourced for me the 40mm white on black gunnel rubbers. So definitely keen to get them on. We do need to do a little bit of trimming and shaping, just where back in 1980, I'm assuming, the rubbers, the profile they put on, it's like they resin them on. So they had like the internal shape of that, and it was like a T shape as opposed to like a flat push on one. I mean, it was on there, it was really good, but yeah, obviously you can't get the same shape anymore. I've looked around everywhere, so we'll get that on. We've got lots of parts sitting here now ready to bolt in. It's been pretty exciting opening up just about every day getting a new parcel, so that's always good fun. But now onto the giveaway. So we've got a few of these hats done up, limited few of them. I don't know if we're going to be doing any more, just because the logistics of it was a pain in the butt, to be brutally honest. Maybe a different style and a little bit tight on the head, be having such a big head. But drop a comment on the video just before we release the next one. We're just going to go through, there's some sort of algorithm thing I think that does it. If not, we'll write everyone's name down, chuck it in a hat, draw one out, and we'll send you a hat. So if you want to do that, down below, drop a comment. Share it around if you want to, get a couple of mates in or whatever. But yeah, thanks everyone for watching this episode, and we'll see you in the next one. See, maybe we'll even be on the water. Who knows? We're getting really close. So here we go.